everyone, I'm Deepika and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you an easy way to do a quick DIY manicure at home. The first step is to remove old nail paint by using any nail paint remover. Once the nail paint is removed, we can then go to the next step, which would include dipping our hands into lukewarm water. So here comes my bowl of water. You can use any essential oil of your liking to put into the water. I used lavender oil here. Dip your hands into the water for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now we'll be using a brush to clean our nails. This is a brush that is usually used in pedicures or manicures. You can easily get them at local stores as a pedicure or a manicure brush. Next, I'll be using a body scrub. We can clean the hands using the same water. Next, I'll be using some tools to push back and trim my cuticles if required. So I have this little manicure kit that I use. I got this ages ago from Flipkart. So here I'm pushing back my cuticles, and I do not have a lot of cuticles, but if you are the one who has a lot of cuticles, you can use a cuticle trimmer as well. Then I am filing my nails. You can shape your nails as per your liking. You can keep them short, long. There are so many shapes to choose from. I just go with my natural shape. So here it's all done. Then I'm using a hand cream just to soften my hands a bit more, especially concentrating on the cuticles. Then these are the nail paints that I'll be using today. So first up is a graffiti nail paint by Maybelline. Then another nail paint by Maybelline Color Show as well. And then I have a nail paint by Sally Hansen. So I'll start with the orange color. Here I'm applying the first coat to my nails. I left my ring finger because I'll be using the white nail paint on there. painting my other hand. So for people who find difficult to color their right hand just because you use your left hand to paint the right hand and that's not the hand you usually use, so my tip would be just keep your left hand static and move your right hand around, just like when you move around the nail, move your right hand instead of your left hand. It makes it much more easier. I don't know if it makes much of sense, but yes, it makes the whole process much easier. Here I'm done with my first coat of nail paint and I'm going in for a second one. Yeah, first up I'm applying the graffiti nail paint to my ring fingers. So the white on the base gives a nice finish to the graffiti nail paint because it's just mainly transparent with bits and bobs. And we are done. If you guys liked the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe so I can keep creating these videos for you. If you have any suggestions, please let me know by commenting in the comment section below. Thanks again for watching my video.